Hi, Ma'am Melka, and hi, guys. So, we are interviewing grade 12 ICT. By the way, my name is Mario Cristobal de Ronquillo,
My name is Jan Harold Baguna.
and we are interviewing about oral communication. Hello. So, how would you describe a good or effective communication?
I guess para masabi yung effective na communication is parehas kayo nagkakaintindihan sa pinagsabi niyong dalawa.
Okay, so number 2 is how important is listening in communication?
How important? Masabi na kaya important yun kasi kung halimbawa may mga parang binibilin sa'yo, kung halimbawa na hindi mo naintindihan yung sinabi sa'yo ng kausap mo, baka maling na mapunta sa misinterpretation.
So, number 3, do you believe that teenagers could benefit communication courses and why?
Ano pa kayo ulit nga?
Do you believe that teenagers could benefit from communication courses and why?
Oo naman kasi syempre hindi kagaya dati na yung mga 'di ba sa mga 'di ba sa kabataan, mga students ba? Syempre naman kasi pwedeng yung mga students yung mga bagong mag-lead sa ganun kasi sila maaaring matuto pa yung sa mga tinuturo ng mga teachers na parang basically kasi ngayon maaaring pwedeng mag-improve pa ng mas maayos yung mga students ngayon.
Okay, thank you. Number 1, how would you describe good or effective communication?
I think good communication would be useless without comprehension. Kaya sa tingin ko kailangan natin ng pagkakaintindi para magkaroon ng proper communication.
Number 2, how important is listening in communication?
Ano yung tanong?
How important is listening in communication?
I think important yung pag-listen sa communication kasi hindi kayo magkakaintindihan kapag hindi ka nakikinig sa kausap mo.
So, do you believe that teenagers could benefit from communication courses and why?
I think yes, makakatulong siya sa hindi lang sa sa communication skills kundi din sa pag-iintindi nila ng mga binabasa or kahit ano man tinitake nila. Malaking siyang tulong sa pag-improve ng academic performances ng mga students.
Thank you po. So, for my side, why communication is important? Because communication is really important for us and really helpful. Like for example, information sharing. It allows to exchange information, ideas, and knowledge, and enabling progress and problem solving. That's the main example of communication. So that's for my side, and thank you.